have more makeup on than I thought. Hello, my lovelies. I am Arvada with Method Makeup Academy, and you guys get to sit through the gloriousness that is me. And if you hear laughing in the background, it's because my manager is here and she has never seen me record, and I know I'm going to get comments from her. So, that being said, today we are going to continue with the Kevyn Aucoin Making Faces looks, and today is the Starlet. So, without further ado, we'll go ahead and get started. Gotta get rid of this face. Alright, my face is now clean. I was gonna say my face is now face, but that wouldn't have really made sense, would it? Anyways, my face is now clean, and we are going to start following the instructions to do this lovely look. The Starlet. See, I look just like her. Totally. As always, he gives lovely instructions that we are going to work our way through. First off, we have Gold Shimmer Foundation, which I don't have. I am going to make up my own to get the Gold Shimmer. I've never worn Gold Shimmer Foundation. This may look terrible. It may look great. I may from now on wear Gold Shimmer Foundation. Probably not. Next would be hair bleach, which is optional. I am not bleaching my hair just for you guys, for like the 6 people who watch this video. So no. Next is light brown brow pencil. I don't use brow pencils. I'm just going to use brow mascara to get more of the shape that he's wanting to go for. May use some powder and a brush if I need to modify my shape too much. Thankfully, I don't really have tails, so I can get a really skinny brow if I need to. Dark brown eye pencil. As you know, I do not use eye pencils. They don't wear long, and I'm an extended wear artist. They kind of melt with body heat. So I will use a powder to replicate what he would like for the lining with the brown eye pencil. The braces are making me lisp really bad today. So eyelash curler and black mascara. Bright pink powder blush. I will be using my La Femme powder palette, and I have a very bright pink blush. I'm not sure if he means this bright pink, but it is a bright pink, and he just said bright pink. He didn't specify how bright of a pink. He just said pink. He didn't say it is pink. He just said bright pink. The next would be a neutral toned lip pencil. I don't have a super light neutral tone, but I do have a neutral tone lipstick I will be using. And then he said glossy red, lip color, and a lip brush. I don't have a glossy red. I have a really nice MAC red that I'll use, but I have a gloss to go over it, which will give it the same effect. So there you have it. Those are our supplies, and we're going to get started. Alright, to make my Gold Shimmer Foundation, I'm going to be using my RCMA palette. And I'm going to custom blend my foundation and get me a decent look. So I'm using a cream base. He didn't specify cream or liquids. I use cream. I can turn it liquid if I need to. But in this case, we're just going to use a cream. And we are going to add a little bit of the Gel Elf highlighter, and it has a little of a shimmer to it. It's a golden shimmer, golden tone, so we're going to use that to make myself a shiny, shimmery gold foundation. So now, because it's a little more oily, we've got a gold shimmer foundation. So I might look like, you know, the Bond girl that died from gold paint. You're probably all too young to know who that is. Anyways, so step 1. We're going to do a sheer veil of golden shimmer foundation. I'm going to use my brush and give myself some gold. See, look, it shines. That could just be oily skin. I don't have oily skin, so it's the foundation. So we're just doing a really light sheer veil. So This is not a full coverage look unless you need it. If you need it, apply more. It smells like honey. Apparently, the e.l.f. has a honey smell. And now my golden foundation smells like honey. This is kind of nice. Not sure how well this is going to wear. None of his looks ask for powder. Are very rare. A few of them have asked for powder, but without powder, foundation does not wear as long. But we are doing a very light coverage, so I think I appear to be covered lightly everywhere. I'm sure as hell shiny everywhere. Alright, next step. Over bleached eyebrows, I am not bleaching my eyebrows. It's optional. Use a light brown brow pencil to create the signature Starlet Eyebrows. So we're doing that really skinny brow. So I am going to come in with a little bit of concealer and kind of cut and try to thin up my eyebrows a little bit. So I'm going to lighten them a little bit with the concealer. Alright, so that lightened them up a little bit. And then I will come in with a brow brush and my brow mascara. I'm going to kind of draw a little eyebrow. I am not entirely fond of this skinny of an eyebrow myself. Well, I think that's as skinny as I'm going to get if without bleaching or tweezing or shaving them. Or blocking them out and doing it. And I don't have the patience to fully block out my eyebrows and redraw them. So, this is what we're doing. Okay, next step is on the eyelid, draw a thin curved line of dark brown liner accentuating the look's wide-eyed appeal. These are extremely vague instructions. That is all I have to say. So the picture illustrates that they're just drawing liner on the waterline, and that's it. Or on the lash line. Just a thin line. And that's no wing, just a brown liner. He leaves a lot open for interpretation, and I think he's expecting people to know more about makeup than most people do. Alright, so that is all. Curling the lashes is very important for the look. Mascara is applied to both the top and bottom. So, lash curler. Woo-hoo. It's like, woo, exciting. She's curling her lashes. Alright, lashes are curled. Now to do mascara. I'm using my own personal mascara, which is why I'm not using a wand. This is one I keep at the studio specifically for myself. For videos, so I'm not being gross. I'm still being hygienic. I don't use this on anyone but myself. Okay. Mascara. Alright. Then, a bright pink cheek color is used to create a blush effect. Very, very vague instructions. He's assuming, well, I would think that he's like, you're at the end of the book. You should have read everything and now know how to apply this makeup because you've read the whole book. So, okay, that's fine. All right, bright pink. We're going to use bright pink, which is very scary. I'm just saying, it's very pink. And we're gonna give some bright pink blush. Bright. Whoa, okay, that was almost bad. Oh, look at me, rosy cheeked. Ta-da. Okay. Here the lips were drawn inside the lip line and filled in with the lip liner. Follow with glossy red lip color, blotted, reapplied, and blotted again. So I will probably not draw inside my lip with the lip liner because my lips are very small, and if I do that I will be like, no lips. So I will just follow my actual lip line. If you have fuller lips, you may want to, follow with that. It's really up to you. So I'm going to come in with my lip liner. I'm not going to come all the way out here though. I'm going to stay more in here. This was a lot redder than I thought it was. You look at this and it didn't look quite as red, but apparently I'm blind today. That's really red. Alright, next we're going to do our lipstick. Palette knife. This is my Pro Kit one, so just grab a little bit of lipstick with the palette knife, and then I'm going to use a wipe to wipe off my lip liner, and then I can spray that with alcohol, and then wipe off my palette knife, which I can spray with alcohol to keep clean, and then grab my lip color with my brush. And then we are going to do a quick blot, like he said. And I'm not going to go on with the red again. Like he wants to go in with the red again. I'm actually going to come in to make it glossy because this is going to dry a little more matte. Come in with a gold gloss so we can get a glossy effect. Also, I've got gold shimmer in my foundation. Might as well give me some gold shimmer on the lips because, hey, lip brush, gloss. And there you have it, the Starlet. Do I look like her? Until next time, I will talk to you all later.